Good morning, guys. So, there's my relative's place. I'm just getting out for Guwahati now, and it's 9:27 kilometer dang. Just took a U-turn. Yes, let's go. So now I'm solo, totally solo, guys, to Guwahati. So let's get out of the city traffic and get to the highway. फिर देखते हैं. I will connect to you guys. इतना गर्मी है ना, oh my goodness. The day I reached here, it was like the weather was really good because it's raining. After that, like 2 days, कल भी बारिश नहीं हुआ. It's like it was very humid. And today, though, it's like you can see the sun. It's hot, bloody hot. What the fuck? और यहाँ का कुछ समझ भी नहीं आ रहा, पता है? मतलब एयरपोर्ट टेक फ्लाईओवर तो बोल रहे हैं, फिर लास्ट टाइम भी फ्लाईओवर लिया था तो ये नीचे से दिखाता है. ओह माय. बस चलो गाइस, दिस इज पटना. दिस पटना. देखो, आई फिर चेंज कर दिया कोर्स. आई डोंट नो व्हाट दिस इज यार. दिस मैप, व्हाट इज ही ट्राइंग टू टेल मी? आई हैव नो आइडिया. लाइक seriously, he said like he said take that flyover, motherfucker. कैसे पता चलेगा अब ये भी इधर भी एक फ्लाईओवर है? Oh my god, help me. I have never had issues with navigation यार. फर्स्ट टाइम ये पटना में आके क्या हो रहा है. देखो ना, क्या इधर भी, यहाँ पे भी दो है. Confusing, bro. पता नहीं, मतलब it's something, but it's so attractive, this river ना. Not only Ganga, I'll say, मतलब Brahmaputra, Ganga, these iconic rivers ना, these are like very beautiful. I think we have to get up on that highway. Fuck, वो ऊपर वाला पे जाना है. Bro, can you let me go, please? Please, I request, please. Thank you. Okay, I have to go straight, and then यहाँ से I have to. What the fuck? Okay, yeah. Today is, I forgot something घर पे. Then I have to go back and take it. तो उसमें I already कहाँ पहुँच गया था. गलत रास्ता में. Then I returned back to my place. फिर वो सामान लिया. Then I got out. उसके बाद एक और बार I got confused in the highways. उसके बाद फिर अभी फाइनली आई थिंक आई हैव टू गो हियर. ओह माय गॉड, दिस इज सो कंफ्यूजिंग. या फाइनली आई एम ऑन द पाथ एंड आई विल शो यू गंगा रिवर टू. ओह लुक, देयर इट इज, गंगा रिवर. आई डोंट नो कैसा दिख रहा होगा, बट ये देखो, ये पूरा ब्रिज जो आप देख रहे हो ना, दिस इज ऑन गंगा. And we are going to get on that bridge. You can see na, and that's the river. So beautiful, right? Like abhi it's too much. Like last time I came, itna to nahi tha. Obviously it's monsoons, तो ज़्यादा होगा. Wow, सुंदर तो है कि नहीं guys? बताओ. Look at this bridge. मतलब इतना सुंदर है. And this river too. लाइक ये वाला ब्रिज तो आई थिंक वेल मेड. नीचे आई थिंक रेलवे का है एंड ऊपर रोड का है. ऐसा भी बहुत कम होता है. पहले बहुत होता था, बट आजकल आई थिंक दे हैव मेड न्यू स्टफ ना. मतलब नया वो. दिस साइड ऑल्सो देयर आर बोट्स मैन. बहुत सारे बोट्स हैं. और दे आर फिशिंग और समथिंग. आई डोंट नो यू गाइस कैन सी और नॉट. देयर आर बोट्स इन द रिवर एंड ये ब्रिज. I don't want to overtake anyone, मतलब fast नहीं जा रहा because I have to show you guys. But I really want to go fast because I'm very late. I have to like drive today overnight, and overnight चला के I have to reach Guwahati by 7-8 a.m. anyhow. And right now it's saying 8:36. I can cover it up in the night though. But वही कि नींद ना आए बस, because बहुत दिन हो गया ना overnight. I've driven when I went to Kufri, but I didn't make a vlog for you guys because that was also with family. So family के साथ था तो वो भी नहीं बनाया. That was overnight. Oh, very beautiful man. मतलब नेकेड है इसके लिए बहुत गंदा पानी है, बट इट्स ऐसा खुला खुला देखने कितना अच्छा लगता है. पानी पानी. ब्रह्मपुत्र इज सिमिलर टू दिस, you know. Brahmaputra is also like this, but this time Ganga is like huge, bro, huge. Oh my goodness, I can't tell you. जहाँ तक दिख रहा है, it's only the river. Huge. Wow. Like we should like conserve this water, ना. अभी ऐसे भी इतना when monsoons are over, like everywhere is scarcity of water. और जब monsoon में होता है, we don't do rainwater harvesting. मतलब government should take these steps है. मतलब बहुत कुछ है करने को. But what government is doing, बेचारा, you know, dogs. They are removing dogs from Delhi. I think this is what happened when I think idiot people come in power. And I don't know what that Supreme Court judges even thought of, like, before giving that decision. Like, only humans are meant to live in this world. God made everyone, right? Whether it's dog, cat, it's a cow, it's a tiger, it's a lion, sabko banaya hai. But we want is like everything for ourselves. We don't want to share anything. And there are so many things that we can do for the stray dogs that are on the streets. But what is their decision? To remove them. Remove them is killing them. It's genocide. It's absurd to even say that. वही बात है, मतलब there's one case that there's dog bite, and there are lakhs of dogs who are like very good, gentle, rather by being tortured, rather they are like kind of being tortured by humans. Still they trust humans because some of them feed them. I am a part of an initiative. I donate a lot. I feed myself a lot, the strays in my society, because they are good. Dogs are man's best friend. Like, matlab, it's something else. If you started loving animals now, like it's very something is very satisfying, more than helping humans, I feel. And there's an actor now who said, I don't believe in God, I believe in dogs. So I really felt that, you know, dogs are like very very pure creature. Like, I think सबसे ज़्यादा purity के साथ भगवान ने बनाया dogs को. When you get to know them, it's, oh my God. They say that, you know, dogs love you more than they love themselves or their friends, their owners. Like I have a Labrador whose name is Rio, whom I adopted. So seriously, I can feel that he loves me more than anything, except food, I'll say. Because labs are too crazy for food. So but seriously, like, and if I leave him, obviously he stays in my home, but if I leave him, he'll die. And that's what happens if you relocate a dog, because they have grown in an environment where they know everything. It's just like today I'm living here, we have brains, humans, right? But still, if I throw you tomorrow to Somalia or something, it will be hard for you to survive, because you don't know what culture there is, what language people speak there. It will take you like years to learn to, and then you might die. So that is the thing. It's not the language barrier in dogs' case, but still, if you relocate them to a place where you are putting lakhs of dogs, they'll kill each other because there will be no food, no water. It will be chaos, utter chaos. So even one or two people who watch my vlogs, it will be like really great if you guys also raise your voice against this relocation of dogs that is happening in Delhi NCR. I'll be really thankful to you if you do. Share stories, you know. There are mail IDs which I'll mention below this vlog in the description. You can mail to the Supreme Court and CM of Delhi regarding that this is cruel, and I will even what I'll do is I'll give a description that what can you send in the mail, or you can show your support on social media. Always there are polls going on, many things going on which activists are doing to save dogs, and you can join them. It will be a great help. So let's continue my journey. A lot of talk here, there. चलते हैं अभी. I think we have crossed Ganga finally. Yeah. सोचो उतना देर से we are on the bridge only. Okay, now let me overtake. Okay, chalo. Let me meet you guys ahead in the road. Wait. Guys, update. Araria 139, Siliguri 327, Guwahati 802. So यहाँ पे Guwahati is showing 739. I think कोई shortcut होगा. And I think 730 we have driven around 200 kilometers. When I got out, it was like 928 kilometers, and now it's 739. तो 200 किलोमीटर हमने cover किया है 3-4 घंटे में. Because the road is not good. Actually, road is good, but बीच में इतना छोटा गड्ढा, पैच वर्क्स, तो उसकी वजह से not good. अभी देखते हैं और कितना टाइम लगता है, या फिर I have to rest somewhere in between. And I don't know कि बिहार में पेट्रोल सस्ता है या फिर बंगाल में. बिहार में it's around 105 I think, and I think Bengal में भी I think it's something like that. Let's see अब कहाँ. I have to refill once, but where should I do it? I'm confused. I'll stop somewhere, and I don't want to have lunch though. पता नहीं. देखते हैं. I'll update you guys what I'll do, and I'll let you know कि कहाँ का पेट्रोल सस्ता है. Bye. So guys, dang, time is almost 5:48 p.m. I stopped for dinner because I didn't have lunch. I had breakfast at home, and uske baad I didn't eat anything. So I was saying, I had lunch. I had breakfast in the morning. Then I didn't eat anything because I have some gastric issues. बाहर ना एक्चुअली इतना लोग हैं ना, ऊपर से दिस बिहार, सो आई डोंट वांट टू गेट आउट एंड टेक आउट द कैमरा. बहुत वो है, एंड आई एम इन अ हरी टू गाइस, यू नो. आई थिंक टुडे रात भर चलाना होगा. आई हैव टू ड्राइव ऑल नाइट, एंड नो दिखा भी नहीं रहा. शो मी द मैप बडी, शो मी द मैप. पता नहीं जियो का आजकल नेटवर्क बहुत ख़राब हो गया यार. बकवास है. देखो अभी भी वो ऑफलाइन मैप आ रहा है. पता नहीं नेटवर्क क्यों जाता रहता है. सो आई वाज सेइंग कि आई हैड काइंड ऑफ डिनर. आई वोंट ईट एनी मोर. एंड लुक एट, इफ यू कैन सी sunset happening guys, sunset happening right behind me. Sunset happening. हाँ, तो अभी हम हैं अररिया क्रॉस करके. वी विल सिलीगुड़ी फ्रॉम हेयर इज 100 किलोमीटर्स अप्रॉक्स, 110 or 15 अप्रॉक्स. तो एंड गुवाहाटी विल रीच 7:30. I can bring it down if I drive whole night, because 2-3 बजे तक तो इतना नींद नहीं आता है, but after that it goes crazy. But let's see. If I do Guwahati, this will be the, I think, longest I have driven, because last time my longest was Delhi to Gopalganj or Siwan, you call it, right? It was like 800 kilometers, but this is like 950. तो 150 ज़्यादा हो जाएगा मेरा. देखते हैं क्या होता है. I'll keep you guys updated. So guys, finally we have entered West Bengal. वैसे कर तो लिया था हमने 60 kilometers. I think not 60 but 50 kilometers ahead. We entered West Bengal. Now हम जा रहे हैं गुवाहाटी की तरफ. I don't know I'm gonna take a stop or not sure yet. Fulbari is 17 kilometers. So Guwahati is showing 480. Morning 7 बजे तक पहुंचना है. Let's see. I'm up for it though. और बीच में नींद आया, I'm gonna take a nap. Half an hour, 1 hour का, then I'm gonna go again. Let's see what I'm gonna do. But 480 kilometers to go to Guwahati. Bye. और ये देखो trucky truck guys, trucky truck. Last refueling somewhere near Jalpaiguri. Then I think यहाँ से 450 kilometers for Guwahati. Yo guys, I can't even drink tea because of my this gastric issue ना. तो लास्ट रिफिल भी हो गया है. मतलब इसमें I can reach Guwahati very easily. तो when I got out ना, तो ये दिखा रहा था that I'll reach around 7:45 or 7:32. So बीच में I've stopped at 2 places that I've told you. I think 2 रिफिलिंग होगा और एक लंच क्या रात के उसके लिए. तो स्टिल इट्स लाइक 7 AM एग्जैक्ट दिखा रहा है. और इस रास्ते में ढाबा भी नहीं है यार. और ढाबा मिलता तो मज़ा भी आता. बट ढाबा है, बट नॉट दैट 24/7 वाला ढाबा, यू नो, लाइक हाउ इट इज़ इन दिल्ली एंड हिमाचल और दिल्ली और उत्तराखंड है. उसमें you'll get many 24/7 वाला ढाबा. You can just park your car, you can take a nap. I'm not sure it's those kind of stuff is here or not. So वो भी है कि अगर if I feel sleepy, where I'm gonna sleep? I'm not gonna park anywhere and sleep. I need to find a kind of safe place, right? So that is also the thing. I think the best option would be where all the truckers stop ना. जितना भी truck drivers होते हैं, they come together and stop at a place and they cook and they sleep. And तो ऐसा जगह पे I have to also park my car and sleep अगर by chance I feel very sleepy. This is the plan yet. देखते हैं और आगे क्या होता है. Bye. Hey you guys. Time is exactly 1 AM. 1:01 and Guwahati is 178 still. 178 kilometer. Showing कि 6 बजे तक पहुँचेंगे. But I'm sure कि I'll reach by 4:30 or 5. But I'm feeling a little sleepy now. But I'm not sure I'm gonna sleep. ऊपर से there's no dhaba or something that is open. Otherwise I'd just go and freshen up a bit because this is the last stretch, the final stretch of 170 kilometers. Road is quite good. अभी just 10 किलोमीटर पहले से रोड अच्छा हुआ है, नहीं तो उससे पहले गड्ढा बहुत इरिटेटिंग था. तो यार I hope I'll reach by 5 AM if I complete this. This is like the longest I have driven in one stretch. Almost 950 kilometers, close to 1,000. I told you before, I did 800 something. But this is the highest. But I'm so sleepy, man. Chalo, I'll keep you guys updated. ये road देखो, अकेला मैं जा रहा हूँ. And there are cars भी बहुत कम है यहाँ पर. Bye. Hello, I think अभी एक बढ़िया हाईवे आया था, बहुत बढ़िया वाला. That I told you guys ना, 1 बजे. अभी ख़त्म हो गया. Sad life, but it's only 150 kilometers left to Guwahati. And right now ये इधर से उधर घुमा रहा है अपन को. देख रहे हैं अपन किधर जाने का समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. अब फिर इसमें जाने का है. ओके, इधर तो आ गया अपन. साला ये अपन के पीछे था. Guwahati Golpara straight, it's showing. Okay, then now what to do, buddy? यहाँ से और आगे जाओ. अच्छा अब ये हाईवे लेना है. कहाँ है इसका रास्ता? ये इसका रास्ता. अब वी आर गोइंग ऑन सम अदर हाईवे जो कि 150 किलोमीटर के लिए लेना है. एंड देन आई एम इन गुवाहाटी. बट स्टिल व्हाई 6 AM? 150 kilometers के लिए 4 hours. Like, is it a joke, man? Maximum 2 hours is like enough, bruh. अब इतना नींद आ रहा है ना, mumbling. But एक बढ़िया podcast देख के जा रहे तो it's keeping me awake, you know. Kind of, वो आ गया ये हाईवे. थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट बना के रख रहा है मेरा. Okay guys, bye. Bye everyone. नींद आ रहा है. I'll listen to this or else, you know, इतना नींद आ रहा है कि I'll fall asleep. Bye. Guys, if you can see, we are crossing Brahmaputra. 149 kilometer for Guwahati, and before that we are crossing Brahmaputra. कितना बड़ा दिख रहा है यहाँ से तो nothing at all. All black, but bridge looks cool. Just like the Ganga bridge we crossed, na? See, that's what I was saying. Like these bridges na all are similar. Ganga वाला भी बड़ा था, ये भी बड़ा है. And very cool, but इतना बड़ा है. अभी तक half भी नहीं किया. It's already been 4 minutes. और अभी तक half cross हुआ है. Maybe I'm driving slow. Oh, वहाँ थोड़ा सा reflections दिख रहा है पानी में. वाह, इसमें बहुत पानी है यार ब्रह्मपुत्र में भी. Cool. चलो guys. Okay, बस I'm not able to vlog nicely because I'm really sleepy, man. But only 140 kilometers to go. Alright. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Time is 3 AM. The road has become shitty as hell. And 74 kilometers left for Guwahati. Showing 2 hours 25 minutes because the road is just garbage. Garbage road. From Delhi to Guwahati अब तक का ये सबसे garbage road है. And every time I've visited Assam हमेशा रोड ही बनता रहता है लेकिन कभी ख़त्म नहीं होता है. Never ending process. I don't know what they do, man. चलो देखो 2 hours more. 5 बजे तक पहुंच जाना चाहिए. Let you know, guys. Bye. Guys, सोने पे सुहागा हो गया भाई. It's raining very, very heavily. बहुत ही ज़्यादा. Like बिजली चमक रहा है. Time is 3:19. More 60 kilometers to go. And बारिश ही बारिश, खराब रास्ता, बारिश. ये अभी रोड बन रहा है ना, वो ये ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, ये अभी टूट जाएगा और फिर ये रिपेयर के नाम पे ये लोग फिर बनाएगा. बुलशिट. चलो. So guys, finally I've reached Guwahati. This is so new record made. Hello guys, good afternoon. We are in Guwahati. कल इतना बारिश हो रहा था रात को. And now it's like खतरनाक धूप. And we reached yesterday 4:30 AM, which is a personal record for me. 950 kilometers at one go. वो भी in 16 hours. And I checked राजधानी, सिर्फ एक राजधानी है जो 15 hours में पहुँचता है. वो भी not sure. Late तो होता है ना ट्रेन. So it might be faster than Rajdhani. I started at 11:30 in the morning and reached at around I think 4:40 and 4:30 in the next morning. तो वो vlog तो I'm ending now and tomorrow I'll get out for Arunachal. कल अरुणाचल भालुकपोंग होते हुए I'll go to Sepa. I've never been to Sepa. I've been to Itanagar, I've been to Menchuka, I've been to Zero, और भी बहुत ज़्यादा जगह. But two places I've never been is one is Tawang and that Sepa side and all. Dapo side भी I have never been there. Beautiful sunset guys today. वाह बहुत अच्छा लगा. Look at this clouds. यहाँ पे एक सोसाइटी है. These are होटल का विंडो. मस्त हाईवे एंड दैट सनसेट. वो बिल्डिंग नहीं होता ना तो क्या बढ़िया दिखता है. If you can see pure golden hour. Beautiful, eh? Tomorrow we'll get out for Arunachal. Bye.